Have a nice day, all of my students. You all are welcome to the Nishanka Science Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the lesson Simple Cell. I think you know the many facts regarding to the activity series and the electrochemical cells. You have the basic idea. Now, normally here we are going to discuss how the simple cell is constructed and what are the special facts regarding the simple cell, right? Normally when you are constructing a simple cell, we have to use two metals that are in the different question in the period activity series, right? For example, I selected here zinc sheet and copper sheet. Then the sheet should be dipped in the dilute acid, dilute sulfuric or dilute nitric acid or any dilute acid, right? Strong acid should be used here, right? When we are dipping these two metals in the dilute acid, firstly we can observe that the zinc sheet is dissolved and later the air bubbles are emitted near the copper sheet. Let's discuss what is the chemistry behind this, right? Here, right, if you consider these two metals, zinc is at the above the activity series than the copper. Therefore, you know, according to the theory, in the activity series, the metals above in the activity series tend to oxidize. Therefore, zinc sheet is oxidized and release zinc 2 plus ion into aqueous solution. Let's write the equation now. Right, zinc oxidize and release zinc 2 plus ions and electrons, right? These electrons are remain on the zinc sheet. Then there is an external conductor, external wire. Then these electrons are moving from zinc sheet to copper sheet, right? Okay, then the excess electrons are remain on the zinc sheet. Then it get partially negative charge, right? Then if you consider the sulfuric acid, it is completely dissociated in the aqueous solution into H plus ions and sulfate ions. Normally, you know, in the aqueous solution consists OH minus ion and H plus ions, right? By dissociation of the water molecules, right? Then here we can observe negative charges are there. Then positive charges are there in solution. They are the H plus ions, right? Then these H plus ions attract towards the copper sheet and obtain electrons, right? Combination of 2 plus ions, right, obtaining 2 electrons, release H2 gas near the copper sheet. That's the reason to release hydrogen gas from the copper sheet,